In a little town lived a father named Bob and his son Tim, known for their enthusiastic but often misguided attempts at fixing things. One sunny afternoon, their old TV set suddenly went blank, leaving them without their favorite shows. Determined to solve the problem themselves, Bob and Tim rolled up their sleeves. Bob, ever the optimist, said, "It's probably just a loose wire, Tim. Hand me that toolbox." Tim eagerly passed the toolbox, already excited about their makeshift repair adventure. Bob fiddled with the back of the TV, oblivious to the fact that it was still plugged in. Tim, trying to be helpful, read aloud from a dusty manual they had found at the bottom of a drawer. "It says here that you should never open the back of a TV while it's plugged in," Tim read, just as sparks flew from the TV. "Too late for that," Bob muttered, jumping back in alarm. Determined not to be deterred, Bob decided they needed a different approach. "Tim, let's try rebooting it. Go unplug it and then plug it back in." Tim obliged but ended up unplugging the refrigerator instead, causing the milk and eggs to spoil. Bob scratched his head. "Well, that's not right. Try the other plug." Tim finally managed to unplug the TV and plug it back in, but the screen remained stubbornly black. At this point, Bob had another idea. "Maybe it's the antenna. Let's move it around a bit." They climbed onto the roof, jostling the antenna back and forth.